Uh, Past paper question work example. Express 5x squared minus 14x minus 3 in the form of this. So where P, Q, R are constant. So for this question, we can solve it two way. So the proper one is we use the computing the square. So this one we factorize 5 and we have x squared minus 14 over 5x minus 3 over 5. Then we have the 5x squared minus 14 over 5x plus negative 7 over 5 squared minus negative 7 over 5 squared minus 3 over 5. So this is actually negative 14 over 5 divided by 2, that is negative 7 over 5. So we have the 5x minus 7 over 5 squared minus 49 over 25 minus 3 over 5. So we have the 5x minus 7 over 5 squared. So we have, actually this one we can just multiply 5. Then we have the minus 15, 49, 50, 64 over 25. Okay, so we have the negative 49 over 25 minus 3 over 5. So negative 64 over 25. Okay, so we have the 5x minus 7 over 5 square minus 64 over 5. Okay, so if I want to check the answer, it will be very easy. How? What we can do here is we pass the calculator and then go to the equation. And then number 2, polynomial degree 2. Then we have the 5, negative 14, and negative 3 here. Then the root will be 3. And then negative 1 over 5. So completing the square. So the x, this one, x minus 7 over 5. That is the x equal to 7 over 5 equal to 0. Then x equal to 7 over 5. And the maximum minimum value is negative 64 over 5. Okay, so my answer is correct. So this is method number 1. So actually we have the other way to solve it. That is, we have this one. Okay, uh, for this one, we expand this one. So we have the p x squared plus 2qx plus q squared plus r. Then we have the px squared plus 2pqx, 2pqx, and then plus pq squared plus r. So this is equal to the 5x squared minus 14x minus 3. Okay, so we compare. So p equal to 5. Okay, the coefficient of x squared. Then we have the p equal to 5. So we have the 2 5q equal to negative 14. So q is negative 14 over 10. Okay, so this is the coefficient for x. This one. Okay, and then we have the pq squared 5 negative 14 over 10 square plus I equal to negative 3. So we have the 5, okay, 1, 5 times negative 14 over 10 squared. So it's 49 over 5. So 49 over 5 plus r equal to negative 3. So r will be negative 3 minus 49 over 5. So it will be uh, minus 3 minus this. Negative 3 minus answer 64 over 5. Okay, so we have the px plus q. So we have the 5x minus 14 over 10 square plus r. So negative 64 over 5. will be the answer for this equation. So the answer is the same. Okay, so 5x minus 7 squared minus 64 over 5. Okay, uh, so this one we can simplify 7 over 5. So this will be 7 over 5 here. Okay, so B, state the graph modulus of this on the axis below. Show clearly any point where your graph meet the coordinate axis. So for this one, okay, uh, we want to find the coordinate axis. Okay, so this one we have the uh, if I have y equal to this, so x equal to 0, then the y will be 0 minus 0 minus 3, negative 3. So we have the 0, negative 3. And then if we have the y equal to 0, then find x squared minus 14x minus 3 equal to 0. Then we have the x and 5x 311 equal to 0. Then negative plus. So x equal to 3 and the x equal to negative 1 over 5. So 3 and negative 1 over 5. Okay. So for the graph of this one, uh, a is equal to 5 greater than 0, then the shape will be like this. So this will be the graph. So negative 1 over 5, 3, and 7 over 5, negative 64 over 5. So if we have the modulus fx, then this will be like this. Okay, so just now this one is negative 3. So after modulus, it will become 3. Okay, so we have the negative 1 over 5. Okay, so we have the negative 1 over 5 here. So this is 3, negative 1 over 5, 3. Okay, so for part C, state the set of value of k which this have exactly 4 solution. Okay, so over here, the maximum point here is uh, 7 over 5 and the 64 over 5. So 7 divided by 5, that is the 1.4. So we have the 1.4. 64 over 5, that is the 12.8. 12.8. So negative 12.8. So this one is 1.4, 12.8. So we know that for this one, the graph, okay, we will have 4 solutions. So if y equal to 0, we have 1, 2, 2 only. This we have 4. If greater than 12.8, then we have 2 only. When it is 12.8, then we have 3 only. Okay, so 4 solution, it will between the 12.8 and 0. Okay, so for C, the answer will be uh, for the answer for C, the y, the value of k is between 0 and 12.8. Okay,